Hello, and welcome to the very first episode of Siri Time. Yay! So, when we play Banjo-Kazooie, it's always a peaceful game till you look at what's inside of the depths. Here we go. Hey! Oh, you're probably wondering why I put this image up here. Banjo is sort of kind of in my mind abusing Kazooie with bird abuse. I'm not sure if it's a thing, but honestly, there's Banjo forces Kazooie to take eggs and eat them and puke them up or shoot them out his butt. I mean, seriously, is that abuse or what? Not to mention in Banjo-Tooie, Banjo uses Kazooie as a gun. And he forces Kazooie into someone else, using power-ups to turn them into dragons. I mean, we never really get a hint on Kazooie, but this is just what it seems to me. In one of the Banjo-Kazooie trailers, we see Banjo jumping out of a plane to his death. But Kazooie doesn't care because he doesn't like Banjo. But explain Nuts and Bolts, where they're eating pizza together because Kazooie is trapped with him in case they go on another adventure to be threatened. Power, that's what I mean. So, is Banjo abusing Kazooie? I mean, we see that there is multiple Banjos and multiple Kazooies in Banjo-Tooie in the multiplayer shooter that's in the game. So, could we assume that Banjo-Kazooie, Banjo-Tooie, and Nuts and Bolts take place in different universes with the different Kazooies, but all of them are being abused? But it's always a possibility. But there's a few more things that I found interesting. And I'm not sure if this is considered mind-blowing, but I just wanted to point it out. In the trailer for Banjo-Kazooie, the one where Banjo is flying out of a plane to his death, Kazooie doesn't care because he's not Banjo's friend. Banjo is forcing Kazooie into abuse and bird abuse. I mean, he's just chilling there, looking like he's happy that Banjo is falling from a sky without a parachute. So, does Banjo abuse Kazooie with bird abuse? Let's see if you agree. I would love to hear your suggestions for series and your opinion in the comments section below the video. Thanks for watching, and let's roll the outro. Just disclaimer in this video, I just want to say something. When it says the end at the end of the video, it isn't the end of the video. I usually do the outro after that, so please just, just kind of stay after that. I usually do something funny at the end, like a little thing related to the video, like in the Sonic video, I sing the Sonic Underground theme song, and for this video, I'm doing this. So, you can deal with this if you want, or you could just stop the video at where it says the end, you know. Just saying. Could do that. So, roll the outro. Yeah. Please stand by to the end of the video while I show you this picture of a cute cat. You can leave now if you want. Honestly, I don't care. Bye. Bye.